In this video, we will see how to fix error code 66. The network resource type is not correct. Error bad dev type on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and here run Windows inbuilt tool network and internet troubleshoot. Click on run and follow on-screen instruction to complete the network and internet troubleshoot in your system. There may be a possibility of network related issue, so you must run network and internet troubleshoot whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button, choose run, and here type a command to execute network adapter troubleshoot. msdt.exe id network diagnostics network adapter. This command will execute network adapter troubleshoot. So simply enter in run dialog box and click on OK. A new page will open. Network adapter troubleshoot page will open now. And here troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. Click on advanced and make the check against options apply repairs automatically. Thereafter, click on next. And let the window complete the network adapter troubleshooting in your system. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. If you are not sure, select the last option in the list, all network adapters, and click on next. And follow on screen instruction to complete the process of your network adapter troubleshoot. And check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is open control panel. Here under available list, scroll down and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Here from the left side of menu, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network. Temporarily disable your antivirus program. If you have already installed a third-party antivirus, then temporarily disable that. And after your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again on your system. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and here type create a restore point. Open create a restore point. Open it. A new page will open. Here create a restore point. Right now for the drivers that have system protection turned on, create, assign a name of this restore point. We will assign him Windows Update, means your computer will be restored from the last Windows Update. Creating a restore point, it will take some times. Wait for some times. And the restore point was created successfully. Message you will receive. Close the windows. Close the windows and go to right click on start button and choose run. Here type rstrui. This command will open system restore windows. Click on OK. Restore system files and settings page will open. Here click on next. And on the next page, choose a restore point. You have recently created or automatic. Click on it and your computer will back to the state it was in before the selected event, and click on next, and finally confirm your restoration point and click on finish. After that, close the windows, follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.